What you're seeing in these clips is the QiFor glass cleaner, a product that's been circulating heavily across social media, showing dramatic before and after results on car windshields, windows, and mirrors. The product is marketed as an oil film remover, claiming to strip away stubborn grime, water stains, and visibility-reducing buildup with minimal effort. At first glance, the application process looks simple. Apply, work across the glass surface, and wipe clean. One thing worth noticing is how the marketing visuals are constructed. The footage often shows heavily contaminated glass transformed with a single pass, which has drawn both attention and skepticism from users and reviewers. Based on available user feedback, results appear to vary considerably. Some users report noticeable improvements in glass clarity, particularly on older windshields with oil film buildup. Others found the results underwhelming, with some reporting minimal difference compared to standard glass cleaners. The product does appear to be a real, purchasable item available through platforms like Amazon, with visible seller information and customer reviews. In that sense, it does not appear to be an outright scam in the traditional meaning. However, some independent reviewers suggest the product may be a generic abrasive-based formula, with aggressive marketing positioning it above its actual performance tier. Overall, the experience seems to sit somewhere in the middle. For some users, it may deliver visible results on lightly contaminated glass. For others, particularly those expecting the dramatic improvements shown in promotional videos, expectations may need adjusting before purchasing.